How to find new furniture ideas for your household. Replacing or buying new furniture for your home will require you to ponder many things. Home furniture not only should be decided on in regards of comfort and price, but the style of the furniture goes a long way in setting the mood and ambience of your home. Here are a few things to consider to help you choose the right home furniture. If you are short of ideas or just have not a clue as to what you want in your home, search for some ideas by looking through a few home decor magazines. There are plenty of magazine publications out there that are made specifically for home design. Thumbing through a few of these may spark some thoughts about what you can do with your own home.